Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to use a fried rice dish to explain the significance and benefit of template-based cooking. I have a friend and his wife. They're coming for dinner and they're bringing their grandkids. They're about age between 5 to 8. I have to decide what to cook for them. They told me that they like hot dog. So I decided maybe I will make them a hot dog fried rice. Since I am promoting a plant-based diet with emphasis on vegetables, so I better put some vegetable in the fried rice as well. Based on my past experience cooking with children, they all like fried rice, so it's easy to put some vegetables in it and they might still like it. For hot dogs, I'm going to use uncured turkey hot dog and I'm going to cut them into small pieces. And I'm going to only use 2 hot dogs. For vegetables, I'm going to look into my prep, see what I have in the refrigerator. I found some cabbage right away. I chop up the cabbage so they will blend better in the fried rice. All fried rice need some eggs, so I'm going to use 2 eggs. Based on my past experience, another ingredient kids really like in the fried rice is sweet corn. I found some frozen corn in my freezer. I'm going to add them directly to the fried rice. I know my friend loves onion and I found some diced onion. I'm not going to add a lot, but just enough to give some flavor and texture to the fried rice. I would like to add some color to the fried rice, so I'm going to grate some carrot and I also find some chopped scallions. Both of them will provide the fried rice with some good, interesting color. Next, I need some cooked rice and I found some cooked jasmine rice in the refrigerator. Okay, I think I found all the ingredients that I need. And now I need to figure out what I'm going to season the fried rice. I'm going to season it with my basic seasoning mix, which is to enhance the natural flavor of the ingredients. Normally, I probably would stop right there, but I know for my guests, they probably would like to have a little bit more saltiness. So I'm also going to add some oyster sauce. Okay, I'm ready to go. The first thing is I'm going to spot season my wok with canola oil. I started with the heat turned at the highest setting. I let the oil to smoke for about 15 seconds and then I turn the heat to low. I add the rice to the wok and then I break up the rice with a hamburger meat chopper. The hamburger meat chopper is the most efficient way to break up the rice. After that, I clear the space in the middle of the wok and make it into like a small frying pan. I add 1 tablespoon of canola oil to the middle of the wok and then I turn the heat back to medium. I then break the egg directly into the wok. I use the wok spatula gently to spread out the egg yolk over the surface. I let the egg to fry for about 15 seconds and then I use the wok spatula to break up the egg and mix it into the rice. During this time, I noticed that some of the rice stuck to the bottom of the wok and I use the wok spatula as a scraper to clean that up. I next add the cabbage to the wok. I add the cabbage first because that takes longer to cook. I stir fry the cabbage for about 20 seconds and then I clear space again in the middle of the wok. I put 1 tablespoon of canola oil so that I can stir fry the hot dog. I let the oil to heat up a little bit before I add the hot dog. I then stir fry the hot dog for about 10 seconds. I then mix in the hot dog with all the contents in the wok. After stir fry the content for about 10 to 15 seconds, I add the frozen corn to the wok. Some of the frozen corn still stuck together, so I use the wok spatula to break them apart. And this is the advantage of that stainless steel wok spatula. It is multifunctional. Next, I add my basic seasoning mix. The idea is to enhance the natural flavor of the ingredients in the wok. I get a spoon and did a taste test to make sure this is about the right flavor that I want. And it seems good to me. Next step, I add the diced onion. Again, I stir all the content to mix them well. This is followed by adding oyster sauce from my squeeze bottle. I add probably about 2 tablespoons. Again, I did a taste test to make sure that this is what I want and it seems okay to me. Now the dish is essentially done, so I'm going to add the grated carrot and chopped scallions to the wok. I use them more as a garnish, so I don't need to cook them very long, and this is the reason I add them toward the end. I did a final taste test to make sure that I do not need any further adjustment. Now the dish is done. The cooking time of this dish is 8 minutes and 5 seconds, but I spent about 2 minutes and 35 seconds in the beginning to spot season the wok. So the total cook time from beginning to end is 10 minutes and 47 seconds. And when I told the kid this is going to be a hot dog fried rice, they were very excited. The 3 kids basically took care of the hot dog fried rice completely, leaving very little for the adult. They said they want to come back next week again for the hot dog fried rice. What I want to show you here is not a recipe, but rather it is a template. As you can see, the hot dog can be easily substituted with chicken, shrimp, or beef. If you want it to be a vegetarian fried rice, you can omit the meat completely. In one case, I substituted with fermented tofu. If you have small kids and you would like to serve them more vegetables, this fried rice is a good alternative. If you'd like to learn more about my cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do so, please select the like icon below. That will help me to improve the visibility of my YouTube channel as well as to reach a broader audience. Thank you for watching.